Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to make background white. As you can see, we have the gray backgrounds in this SketchUp, and if you want to change into white, you can go to Style tab in drag bar and you can set in a default style. To change into white, you can click this style and it will be changed into white. To change in another white, you also can click edit tools in it, and then you can go into background settings, and here you can click to change. Like I will set into another, okay, to be able to change and change again into white if you want to use into white background. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial how to make background white. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.